Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the FabFitFun monthly beauty edit box. This is for January 2026. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the January 2026 monthly beauty edit box by FabFitFun has arrived. If you don't know, FabFitFun last month rolled out their very first monthly box. So this is their second ever monthly beauty box. There's 4 items inside. It's $29.99 with free US shipping, and you get to choose those 4 items. Last month and this month, there was 4 different items per 4 categories that you can choose from. And so I have curated my own box with what I would like. I love that you get to pick all of the products. There are some boxes you might be able to pick one of the products, not your entire box. They do that for their seasonal box, but I'm so glad that they do it now for their monthly box. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to do this video just like I do my normal is I'm going to show and tell all of the different choices so you know what the options are, so you can kind of see how you would curate it yourself if you wanted to purchase it. So let's dive in. I'll show you what's inside, and then again, we'll go from one category to the next. And ooh la la, this is how it looks when you open up the box, and a sneak peek to my choices are right there. Again, there's 4 different items. So all of the different choices you can pick from category number 1 will be a skin barrier moisturizing face mask. It's a 5-pack valued for $37. Ela Beauty Barrier Build Skin Protectant Cream valued for $64. Origins Mega Mushroom Dark Spot Brightening Serum valued for $68. Or the Plump and Juicy Gel Cleanser valued for $38. And for that one, I actually chose the Ela Beauty. This is the Barrier Build Skin Protectant Cream valued for $64. This is how it comes. If you follow me, you know I love a good moisture, a moisture cream, like a water cream, anything that gives you moisture, I am all for. So when I saw this, I'm like, that's what I will choose. So when we open it up, if you want to see what the packaging looks like, it looks like it's a glass bottle or jar. And then, ooh, it is nice and thick. Look at that, nice and thick. I don't smell anything, but I bet you it's going to feel amazing. So that is what I chose for category number 1. So all of the different options for category number 2 will be Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Oil. This is valued for $26. Fenty Skin Plush Recovery Lip Mask in Melon, valued for $32. Ela Beauty Fullest Volumizing Mascara, valued for $29. Or Fenty Beauty Shadow Stick Long Wear Eyeshadow Stick, valued for $26. And for that one, I actually chose the Fenty Skin, the Intensive Recovery Lip Mask in Melon. Good thing I didn't choose this in the seasonal box, because this was an option. I believe this was the option in one of the categories for the seasonal box. And that is what it looks like. Twist top, and then you just sometime soon, maybe. Okay, here we go. Now we're cooking. So there is the lip mask, and it says blanket lips with hydration for a petal soft pout. Condition, moisturize, and smooth with a melon scent for a light, fruity flavor. It's just sticking up there. It does have a melon scent to it. I like it, and it feels amazing on my lips too. So that is what I picked for the second category. So all of the different options you can choose for category number 3 will be Rare Beauty Find Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion, valued for $28. Olaplex No. 5 Leave-In Moisturize Leave-In Conditioner, valued for $32. Fenty Hair The Protective 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styling Cream, valued for $31. Or NARS Powder Blush, valued for $34. And for that one, I went ahead and grabbed this. I actually have the hand lotion and this one that I got from FabFitFun seasonal box, I believe last season or the season before. And I wanted to grab another one of these just so I can use it as a refill for the hand lotion. I like the nice little scent to it. It feels amazing. So I grabbed the Rare Beauty Find Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion, again valued for $28. So it is a small container, but it is a nice consistency on the inside. So that's why I chose that one to have another as my backup. So all of the different choices for the last and final category number 4 will be One Size by Patrick Starr Ultimate Blurring Setting Powder, valued for $36. Commodity Juice Bold Perfume, it's a 10 ml, valued for $34. Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Low Lighter in Low Key, valued for $26. Or Free the Brow Volumizing Flexible Hold Brow Gel, valued for $26. And for that one, I chose the perfume. I thought that would be a great thing because I really didn't need or want anything else from that category. And a perfume I will always choose as long as it doesn't have rose or lavender. So I checked and this one does not. What am I looking for? My knife, where'd it go? Oh, so let's get this one opened and give it a sniff. But again, valued for $34 for this little 10 ml. So hopefully it's a good one. And that's what it looks like. And oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. That smells really good, you guys. I'm probably gonna have to get the full size of this one. That smells really good. It's kind of a little fruity. Oh my gosh, I love that. Does it tell me what the scents are on here? It says explore the deep, jammy side of fruits where ripe raspberry, plump strawberry, and tart rebar melt into a rich amber wood and earthy patchouli. Crafted for a bold projection, this fragrance is made to stand out and be remembered. Oh my gosh, that is definitely fruity, fruity, fruity. Like, I love the fruity scents of it. This smells so good, and it kind of reminds me of a MAC perfume that I love. It's the pink one. Oh my gosh, I love that scent. So I'm so glad that I chose the perfume for that one. So all of my 4 choices for my January box is the 10 ml perfume. We have the lip mask that feels amazing. We have the lotion and the moisturizer. Okay, you guys. So again, that was everything that I chose for this box. Again, I absolutely love that you are in control of your entire box. For every single product, you get to choose. And if it's not something for you, you could always pick a product for a gift idea, save it, give it to another, that kind of thing. Or I believe you can actually skip your box too. So definitely let me know down below what would have been your 4 choices. Would you have chose anything that I did? Definitely let me know down below. Again, this box is $29.99 with free US shipping. I will have them listed in the description box if you'd like to pop on over and check them out to see their monthly box or their seasonal box, which is absolutely amazing, both of them. And I love in both of them, you get to choose your entire box. So again, definitely let me know. If you'd like to see other companies learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything for me to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.